It's Mambo time. This time we're going to learn a little bit about our American Mambo Crossbody Lead. Get your dance shoes on, join me on the floor. Let's do this. Hi, welcome to Sunstrike Dancesport. My name is Jim Cole. Today we're going to learn a little bit about our crossbody lead. Yes, that's our American Mambo crossbody lead. This is a great step that we use throughout all of our Mambo steps. It's a nice connector, a nice way to be able to create rotation. We're going to use it a lot, so it's good to learn the fundamentals now. If this is the first time that you've watched my station, thank you. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscription, and please hit that little notification bell. That way, whenever Sunstrike Dancesport has a new video, you're going to know about it right away. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about our crossbody lead in our American Mambo. Let's do the gentleman's part first. Okay, so we start with our left foot forward. So we have 2, 3, 4, 1, so we're turning to the left a quarter. Then we take our right foot back, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? So what I've done is I've done a 180. Here we go. So I have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, let's do that again. So I take my forward step. So I have forward. As I step back, I'm actually turning my foot slightly to allow my body to rotate a quarter of a turn. There. Okay, so I have 2, 3, 4, 1. Now I'm going to continue the rotation with my right foot going back. I'm going to curve it so that I can do another quarter turn. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? So here's my lady on this. So we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, ladies part. So we're going to start with that right foot free. So it's a little different. So she does her basic. Let's get back a little. So we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right. So we have right foot back, replace, forward. Then we take that left foot, we're going to turn, and then take that left foot back. Okay? So the lady's starting in this position, and then she's ending with her back that way. All right, so let's do this from the back side. So the back side, we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then that right foot is free to continue on. Yes? Okay. Gentleman's part from the back. I always forget to do that. So we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, good. All right, some technique on how to allow us to do this better. All right, so the first thing, gentlemen, we want to think about is that we're a door. And what we do with the door is that the door is closed. As I do I open the door so the lady can pass, and then I close the door. Okay, so this is a door that's closed. This door is open, the lady passes, and then I finish. So if we understand that we're asking the lady to do this and getting out of the way, it makes the lady's job a lot easier. If we don't get out of the way, or we get partially out of the way, we're blocking the lady from actually being able to do her step. Yes? Okay. So once again, we want to think of taking our left foot forward, turning. Notice I'm clearing a path here, and then allowing and finish there. Okay? Ladies, a little bit harder in that sense that you have to do a little pivoting action. That could probably be the hardest part of this step. So you have that 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so now I gotta make sure that the weight is on that right foot so that when I take my left foot forward, then I bring my weight onto that left foot. I pivot, put the weight back onto that right foot, bring the left foot back. Let's do that again. So we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See how it ends with the right foot free? All right, good. So this is, like I said, a great step in which we can use anytime that we're on a dance floor. We can use some of our basic steps and that crossbody lead, and it will make us look phenomenal. Hopefully you enjoyed this step. If you liked it, please hit the like, please hit the subscription button, and please hit the notification bell so that way you'll know if you get any, or if I send out any new videos, you're gonna know right away. So thank you so much. I know that you have a lot of choices when it comes to watching these type of tutorial videos, but I want to thank you for choosing Sunstrike Dancesport. Have a great day.